We'll guide you through how to lock a SIM card on an iPhone with a PIN. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on my iPhone. So you want to go and lock the SIM card with a PIN or key. This is a good idea to do as it will then go and secure it, and it will not be able to go and be used unless the SIM card PIN is then entered that we're going to go and set. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. I think it's a great way to go and secure it because it will go and prevent unauthorized use of it. So we're going to guide you through this step by step. Make sure this is full guide, as there are some important things we need to go and note. So to go and get started with this, you actually need to go and check for your network carrier. So to go and do this, you can go and drag down on the battery in the top right of your iPhone like so. And in the top left, I can go and see my network connection, the strength, and then the provider. So in my case, this is EE. So we're going to need this shortly. Now what you want to do is go and open up your settings on your iPhone like so. You want to go down and you need to go and find the option for, in most cases, it's going to go and say cellular. In my case, it says mobile service. So you can go and click there. Then I'll just go and blur this, go and scroll down until you go and see the option for SIM PIN at the bottom of the section here. So then what you can do is you can go and tap there like so. You can see at the moment this is switched off. But if we go and switch it on like so, it's then going to go and ask you to go and enter the PIN to go unlock it. So it's important to note, SIMs are going to come with a default PIN or key. We'll need to go out and find this out. So it's likely it's going to be the default one set by your network carrier unless it's already been set. So you can go and check this. But if I close this, we can come out of here and go and open up Safari. Then what you can do is you can go and use your network provider. For me, that's EE. I can go and type in default EE SIM PIN. I'm already being suggested it there. So I can tap that there and you can go and see the default is 1111. So I can then go and use that. Alternatively, it may have been set. So in my case, I've actually already set this myself. So mine is this here. Then I can go and press the tick and you may need to go and swipe back and then go to it again. And you can go and see it's now switched on. Now, what's worth doing is customizing it because otherwise people can go and know the default one. So what I can do is go and press change PIN. Then what you can do is go and enter in your new PIN and we need to go and confirm it like so. And it's now been set. Now, it's important to know as well is that if you can't go and find the default one, you need to go and contact your carrier and they can go and provide you with the PIN needed. So now that that's switched on, it's going to go and be needed when you go and start using it. So it's that simple. Of course, you can always come back here in the future and you can go and turn it off and then the SIM can just go and be freely used, which can be useful. But if it's like a personal or important work one, I think it is worth doing this just to go and help it keep it secure as you have a passcode on your phone anyway. So it's worth doing one on your SIM as well. So that's it. It's now successfully set up. If you found this useful and you want to see more guides like this, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. We've got loads of guides on the channel and loads more like this, and we post them every single day. So I'm sure you go and find something more useful in the future as well. And if you have any suggestions, feel free to go and put them in the comments as well. And I look forward to help you again in the future with more useful how-tos.